So, as a dentist, how do you define a psychological test?
Okay, I used to think that psychological test was for mentally ill or mentally challenged people. But now that I'm more medically oriented, it can be said that this test helps shape human interaction and the society at large. It helps us understand why people behave like he or she does and why certain factors affect our beliefs.
So, what are your assumptions on it?
Wait lang ha, pause. Buhat na lang. For me, my assumptions, sometimes it can be reliable, but sometimes it can be kay for some people, they answer it for fun, or sometimes they're not in the mood to answer it correctly. But for some serious people like me, when tests or when psychological tests is being given to us, like we go to when we when we do our entrance exam, diba? They have this psychological test where you have to answer everything. So for me, I take it seriously because in that way I'll be able to know what type of person I am. That's it. For me, for me it's kind of serious, diba?
Okay.
So yung mga yun sa answer.
In like it can't be. So,
But pero ni ato siya dito Sam with like personnel like she was handcuffed kay I think awad ana siya or nagpa-brace siya nako.
Okay.
So I took the challenge to treat I took that challenge to treat that patient because it doesn't mean to say that she's mentally
Incapacitated.
like
incapacitated. I don't know.
Incapacitated. Okay. Sige. Sa test, as an experienced dentist, I have one patient who's a mentally challenged girl, tama ba?
Mentally challenged.
Mentally challenged girl. Okay, edit mo lang. So, I have this one patient. I think she's being treated for too rebellious. I don't know what that, but I asked the mother why she's being held. Asa to koy?
Sa Santa Sota?
No, kana diha sa konsolasyon for
Psychiatric ward.
psychiatric ward.
Psychiatric ward.
In,
Sara, akong nadunggan. Santa
ilasyon.
Sota. I don't know.
What do you call that day? Some kadang ipa-rehab sila. Where the girl is not drug addict, ipa-rehab lang
Psych
siya.
ward? I think so. Diba? Psych ward. I guess. I don't know. Wala pa ko abnormal psych.
No, basta I have this one patient that I think her mother put her up in a psychiatric ward because she was kind of too rebellious. So when she went to the clinic, she had her braces done, and then the first thing I asked was what happened to her, why was she handcuffed, but I didn't treat her as a mentally incapacitated patient. But I just asked a few questions like what happened to her, just edit her. Before she was like this, what was her past work? Was she married before?
She's old now?
She's only 23 years old.
Okay.
So she got married at a young age, at the
Really?
age of 21 years old, because she thought that the person that she got married with is, like really loves her, but gamit na di ay siya for sa iyang money. So, nag-rebelde siya sa iyang asawa. like, as a girl, di ba, it's the boy who gets to beat the woman. But sa iyang case, siya ang bugbog sa iyahang husband. That's why her mother decided her to put in a psychiatric ward. But when I read her papers, because when the doctor came, she told me, oh, you will treat her, you'll be your dentist, okay, like this. So I read na she has this bipolar disorder, but the mother told the doctor it was more on a rebellious side. So as a bipolar patient, I try not to talk about her past. I treat her like a normal person, and then I didn't treat her that she's like this, she's like this. She has the tendency to hurt other people. So when I treat her, no sharp objects, all plastics. Because when you treat a person with that's not mentally or not sane at all. Syempre, you have to take care also of yourself. So no any sharp objects, and then I make sure that all the personnel or the staff was there, because in case that happens, at least na mapugong niya. But all throughout the what do you call this? The procedure, she was handcuffed in the dental chair.
Oh, really?
Yes, because before that happened, when third visit in the dental clinic, so everything was okay. So I told the personnel, take off the handcuffs because I know that this girl will not run away from me. So everything was fine. So there were 2 boys and 1 girl looking after her. Then after the treatment, the moment that she gets up and went out, she ran away. Yeah, literally she ran away. Francis was there. She ran away, and then the personnel, 2 boys, and when the 1 girl was really running after her, but she was really strong. That's when I realized that when a person is mentally insane, she tends to be really strong, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, because she literally the side mirror of the van, just
pulled it.
pulled it away. Yeah, so scary. So that's it. So the following visits, handcuff on the dental chair. That's it. So did I answer your question about the test?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Last. Wait, last ba? No, wait. As a professional, what psychological test have you ever taken and for what purpose?
Okay, back in high school, I took a cognitive and emotional test, and then in college, I took an IQ test for entrance exam. So far, that's the only test that I've
Really?
yeah. In the entrance exam you had, right?
Not lang. Wala psychological exam. Ay, test.
Like, because I know psychological test and IQ test. IQ test is part of psychological test,
Wala,
right?
promise. Kanang kuan na siya kanang science, math, and English.
Yeah, in ours, in my department,
Wala.
we had IQ test like the auditory, the visual, right?
Promise, wala.
Kanina line,
Yeah.
Unsay next? Sa USC naman, wala
Yeah, we
mo.
had in this year.
Basig sa then?
Maybe because I took my entrance exam one-on-one with a guidance counselor because I was kind of late.
Okay.
I think 1 week na lang before the school opens. No, the school opens. That's the time that my mom decided to
Enroll you.
enroll me. That's it. That's the only test that I took.
Okay, so what do you think is the importance of psychological testing in your field of work?
Okay, I will read this one. The psychological test. Can I read it?
Yeah.
Okay, the psychological test plays a huge role in understanding the human brain and its mental. That's why I hate doing it sa cell phone. Ha? Suot na po na po.
Taas.
The psychological test plays a huge role in understanding the human brain and its mental capabilities in connections to their actions and thinking in general. It's basically one of the most helpful measures in determining the level of sanity and the gauge if there's any need of further tests or recuperation. Tama ba? For a person undergoing any sort of psychological challenges. Okay,
So that's it?
that's it.